Welcome back to A More Prepared Life. I'm Shane. You know, for quite some time now, I've been operating a Harvestright freeze dryer at my house. It is a critical component in my family's preparedness plan. From an efficiency standpoint, it makes all kinds of sense to have your food pre-frozen on the Harvestright freeze dryer trays before you stick them in the equipment. Freeze dryer trays are pretty good size, and if you were going to lay out your freeze dryer trays side by side in your freezer in order to freeze the next load for your freeze dryer, that takes up a lot of real estate. And I don't know about you, but I don't have that kind of space in my freezer to just designate for this. The obvious solution is to stack your freeze dryer trays in your freezer while you're pre-freezing the next load. In order to do that, they have to be stacked with some clips. There are a number of options out there, but our friends at T2G Custom Products have come up with what I think is the best designed freeze dryer stacker out there. They call it the Steady Stacker, and it has a number of features that you will not find on other freeze dryer stacker clips. Steady Stackers are 3D printed out of a material that is food safe and dishwasher safe on the top rack. You'll notice there's a hole in each of the Steady Stackers that allows you to spirit on the top rack of your dishwasher to keep them from being blown around the dishwasher by the water. Steady Stackers are also designed to be interlocking, so when your trays are stacked together, they are not able to be easily moved around. This makes it very easy to lift the entire stack of trays and carry it with you over to your freeze dryer. Using the Steady Stackers couldn't be easier. Simply place your freeze dryer tray down on a flat surface and install the Steady Stacker with the side with the hole down. You'll notice there's a V-shaped ledge right here that the next tray will set down on. After filling this tray, place more Steady Stackers interlocking with the ones below on each corner the same way. A number of people have asked, why do they call them Steady Stackers? The simple answer is they make the stack of trays very rigid, and due to the interlocking feature that these have, you can pick up the entire stack of trays and you can carry it around with one hand and it's not going to fall apart on you. There's not another stacker out there that does that. If you're pre-freezing liquids like eggs or soup or stew or something like that, and you pour it higher than the bottom level of your Steady Stacker, your Steady Stacker is going to become frozen into the liquid. The Steady Stackers have been designed to be just a little bit taller than the height of the tray. So by simply setting the tray on a solid surface and pressing down on the tray, it will pop your Steady Stackers right out of what you've frozen them into. If you have a Harvestright freeze dryer, get yourself a set of Steady Stackers for pre-freezing that next load for the freeze dryer. I think you'll agree they're the best freeze dryer clips out there. I will leave some information down below on where you can find them to be able to buy them, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.